Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all some Ounuo LED lights. This is a 3-pack. You can purchase these on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out, see if it's the right light for you. They also come in a 1-pack if you're interested. These are magnetic LED lights with a lithium-ion battery built in, which is really exciting. The battery can last up to 6 months. The LEDs are rated over 100,000 hours, which is spectacular. 3-meter motion sensing, so really cool. Again, here's how they come packaged to you. They did send me these to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. So really cool packaging, really nice. Again, 3-pack, 10 super bright LEDs, simple installation. They'll be magnetic sticky backs for you to place wherever you want. Closets, pantry, stairwells, bathroom, under cabinets, you name it. This is going to be the light for you. So lifespan, 100,000 hours, 3-meter induction, automatic on-off. So the back just showed you what I just said, and then there's a warning prompt. The light won't turn on or off if the sensor has been detected by enough light. Never install the light near the place where it's damp or high temperatures because you want to make sure the sticky tape will still work. So cool packaging. Let's just dive right in, open them up, and see the lights. First thing out of the box. Charger. It is micro USB. These lights are awesome, really slick, really cool. So here it is. It's a great length and just everything. Great form factor, portability, easy to hide, but it should be really bright. So you can see their branding here. They got 3M double coated tape. I will warn you, if it's like the lights I've used in the past, this is really sticky. So if you put it on your walls, it will pull off your drywall paper. So just make sure you're putting it in the spot that you want it to be in for a long time. Or you can use like those command hook backs. I use those sometimes, and then I put this on. So it's not gonna rip anything off because you can just pull those command hooks right off. So here it is, it's just a magnetic back. So really cool, really easy to use. Here this side I see a screw in the micro USB spot. On the other side, we have a button for auto, off, and on. So yeah, really cool. That's it. I mean, we got a 3-pack. We'll take those other 2 out as well. They're all identical. Nothing else in the box. And then we have some instructions right here. So it should be pretty easy, straightforward. It's showing you operating instructions for the back, where the glue tape is, how to charge, the magnetic strip. So some specific specifications right here you can see about the LED in the working mode. So auto on, auto off, silent. So yeah, that's really cool, really neat. Let's see if we can just fire one up if they're already charged. There you go, they're already working. You can tell that's bright. That's really, really cool. So we'll go ahead now. I'll shut off some studio lights and we'll check this out. All right, so I've shut off my studio lights. I'm gonna switch this back to on so you can see how bright it is. So what a great light to just use, again, in your closets, your pantry, under cabinets. It's the perfect amount of light if you ask me. Really cool that it's battery operated, so you don't even have to put any sort of electrical wiring in place. And it's a lithium built-in battery, so you don't have to even change the batteries out, so it's also saving you money. So really cool design. We'll go ahead, we'll turn all 3 on. They're really neat. Great lights, really awesome. So motion sensor will kick in too. You can see that for this one. They're shutting off. This one should go off in a sec too. But yeah, really, really cool lights. So they're really, really neat, really happy with them. Love just how simple they are to use. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you all in my next video. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. Check this out in the video description below. Ask me any questions, leave me any comments you may have. Also, click on the link below too. I have a newsletter. Sign up. I'll keep you up to date with promo codes, that sort of thing. So I'd love to interact with you guys in my newsletter as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.